Here at Chapman, we've made a commitment to you, our customers, to build a confident and informed vehicle purchasing experience every time.
Choosing Chapman, we'd like to be transparent with our vehicle inspection report and a complimentary Carfax, and on most vehicles, an engine for life warranty, as well as free lifetime inspections on every vehicle in your household, whether it was purchased here or not.
You can choose from a huge selection of new models and pre-owned cars, trucks, and SUVs from all your preferred manufacturers.
We take pride in an organization by giving back to our local community and businesses.
Regardless of the vehicle you purchase, we can enroll you in the Ford Pass Rewards, which allows every dollar you spend on service, sales, and parts to translate into redeemable points on your next visit.
Weather poses no issue, as our service drive helps keep you warm and dry. And while your vehicle is being serviced, our certified technicians can text you a video of the work performed while it's in our shop. And your first service back is on us.
If you unfortunately require the needs of our collision center, within the first year of ownership, we will pay up to the first $500 of your deductible. You should love the next vehicle you get into.
And you should be confident in where you're buying it from.
And we are still offering a remote sales experience if you prefer not to come into our dealership.
Contact us online or by phone for more.
We look forward to doing business with you here at Chapman. And remember, if our name isn't on the back of your new car or truck,
You probably did pay too much.